Artificial intelligence isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your to-do list. And if you're a professional in 2026, that distinction matters more than ever. AI is already transforming the way we work. Repetitive tasks, data entry, scheduling, basic analysis are being automated at unprecedented speed. This isn't a threat. It's an opportunity to focus on what humans do best: creativity, judgment, and connection. But here's the shift most leaders miss. AI isn't just a productivity tool, it's a collaboration partner. The most effective teams aren't replacing people with AI, they're using AI to make their people more powerful. So what skills does the modern workforce need? Critical thinking, prompt literacy, the ability to work alongside AI systems and know when to trust them and when not to. These are the new core competencies. For leaders, the question isn't whether to adopt AI, it's how fast and how thoughtfully. Start small. Identify one process where AI can save your team time this week. Build from there. The future of work belongs to those who learn to work with AI. If this sparked an idea for your team, drop a comment below or follow for more insights on leadership and technology.